very windy morning from, but we'll give it a burn, a rip. First session of Bremer of 2026. Let's see how things are on this lovely little trail. It's so good to be out on the trails again. A couple of new wee jumps there, wee bumps, new ones. Last year it's been like 4 or 5 months since I've been out. I love this berm here coming up. Get some speed coming out of it. Woo! Beautiful. So windy. Like the front wheels has turned into a sail. Keeps you on your toes. Hop on the fucking wall. Oh shit. Oh, hell crowd. I've got zero balance, but we'll give it a rip. Anyway, okay, stay out of that. Alright. So, this one always gets me and messes me up. I like this little drop here. Whoa. I'll smooth these berms out of all that. There's an extra one there. One's all over the place. I need to practice my jumps. Every time I'm getting in the air, my front wheel's going all over the place. My balance is balanced. Berm of doom. Nice. There's a warning sign before. It's pretty steep here. Woo! Then you go into a little rock garden thing. Fun little section.